We live in a time where fear is being sold more rapidly than progress is being embraced. People are not just worried about AI, they're terrified. They're scared of losing jobs, their identities, their purpose, their power. But fear has never built the future, it has only delayed it. The truth is, artificial intelligence is not here to take over the world. It's here to enhance the way we live in it, and those who learn to use it will lead it. Those who adapt will grow, and those who evolve with it will become unstoppable. AI is not the enemy, fear is. Let's get one thing clear, every revolutionary invention in history was first misunderstood. When electricity was introduced, people feared it would burn their houses down. When the internet was born, people said it would isolate humans. When smartphones came into our pockets, people said it would destroy attention spans and real conversation. And yet, those who saw the tools for what they were opportunities built businesses, movements, relationships, and entire industries around them. AI is no different. This is our internet moment. This is our smartphone moment. And the sooner we shift from fear to focus, the sooner we win. Stop asking, will AI take my job? Start asking, how can I use AI to make myself more valuable? You see, technology doesn't eliminate humans. It eliminates repetitive behavior. It eliminates inefficiency. It eliminates waste. But it doesn't eliminate people who think, people who create, people who lead. AI is a tool, and a tool is only dangerous in the hands of someone who doesn't know how to use it. But when placed in the hands of someone who is driven, resourceful, and committed to learning, it becomes a superpower. AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It amplifies it. It takes the best of what we can think and do and expands it. It creates faster solutions, better designs, smarter predictions. But it still needs something only humans can give: intuition, emotion, empathy, creativity, ethics. AI can write a poem, but only you can write the one that touches your soul. It can code software, but only you can create a solution that understands a real human pain point. It can write speeches, but only you can give them meaning. You're not too late. You're actually right on time. We're in the early days of one of the most powerful shifts in human history. And just like the industrial age and the digital age, those who learn the tools early become the builders of the future. You don't need to know how to code AI. You need to know how to think with AI, how to ask better questions, how to use it to unlock faster answers, how to partner with it, not compete with it. Think about the time AI can save you, the ideas it can generate with you, the freedom it gives you to focus on what truly matters. The average person spends hours doing low-value, repetitive work every single day. But when you automate that, when you delegate it to machines, you buy back your time, your most valuable asset. Time to build, time to think, time to rest, time to love. That's the hidden gift of AI, the return of human time and potential. This isn't about machines becoming human. It's about humans becoming more powerful with machines. More efficient, more capable, more impactful. The future doesn't belong to the machines. It belongs to the humans who use machines wisely. Artificial intelligence should not be feared but embraced because it offers a powerful way to enhance how we work, think, and live. Many people worry that AI will take over jobs or replace human skills, but in reality, it's here to support us by doing the tasks that slow us down, the repetitive, time-consuming and low-value activities that eat up our energy and time. Think about the hours spent writing routine emails, organizing data, or searching for information. AI can handle all of that within seconds. And when it does, it frees up our mental space to focus on what actually matters: solving problems, building ideas, connecting with others, and making decisions. Instead of being a threat, AI becomes a productivity partner. It's like giving every person their own virtual assistant, researcher, and creative partner. This doesn't just make us faster, it makes us more creative, more efficient, and more strategic. By handling the mechanics of work, AI lets us concentrate on the meaning behind it. Those who throughout history, every major technological breakthrough was first met with fear, skepticism, and resistance. When electricity was introduced, people were afraid it would burn down their homes or cause accidents. When the internet became widely available, many believed it would isolate individuals and destroy real-world relationships. When smartphones appeared, critics said they would ruin attention spans and communication. But in each case, those who looked past the fear and focused on the opportunity were the ones who succeeded. They were the visionaries, the early adopters, the innovators, the people who learned to use these tools before the rest of the world caught up. Artificial intelligence is following the exact same pattern. Right now, fear is dominating the conversation, fear of job loss, fear of misuse, fear of the unknown. But those who can rise above that fear and see AI for what it really is, a transformative tool, are the ones who will build the next wave of progress. Just like the internet created new careers, new companies, and new ways to connect with the world, AI will open up a wave of new possibilities for those bold enough to learn and lead. The future doesn't belong to those who wait for the fear to fade, it belongs to those who move forward anyway. Artificial intelligence does not replace human beings, it enhances them. While AI can process massive amounts of information, recognize patterns, and even generate content, it still lacks the human touch that makes ideas meaningful. Intuition, empathy, creativity, values, and emotional depth. These are the elements machines cannot replicate, and they are the very things that make us irreplaceable. AI can write a song, but it can't feel heartbreak. It can analyze trends, but it doesn't understand the culture behind them. It can simulate empathy in customer service, but it doesn't truly care. That's where human intelligence still leads. In this partnership between humans and machines, our unique strengths shine. AI can handle the data, the patterns, the repetition. We bring the insight, the emotion, the moral compass. That combination, machine speed with human depth, is what creates real power. The mistake people make is thinking it's a battle between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. It's not, it's a partnership. The best results will come from people who understand how to combine what AI can do with what only they can do, and that will separate the average from the extraordinary. People who learn how to use AI effectively will not be replaced, they will become more valuable than ever. In every wave of innovation, it's not the tool that changes everything, it's the person who knows how to use the tool. Those who take the time to understand AI, experiment with it, and integrate it into their workflow will stand out in any field. Whether you're a teacher, designer, entrepreneur, student, or content creator, AI can give you an edge, but only if you're willing to learn. It's not about becoming a programmer, it's about becoming someone who thinks in new ways. AI gives you leverage. It allows one person to do the work of 5 and do it smarter, faster, and with more impact. That's why those who embrace it early will lead, not because they're smarter, but because they're adaptable. In contrast, those who resist change, ignore the shift, or rely only on traditional methods may find themselves struggling to compete. The world is moving fast, and the gap between those who evolve and those who don't is widening. Using AI doesn't mean losing your value, it means multiplying it. Understand this shift and choose to work with AI, not against it, will find themselves operating at an entirely new level of impact and opportunity.